And so I don't know, that just kind of popped into my head. When you are working with people that they're there because they wanna be there and they want to fix things and they're not indifferent, or they maybe act out before they get to you. They're acting out because they do care. I just wanted to
Yes,
reinforce that
absolutely.
point that you made. But have you ever
Absolutely.
worked with couples where you felt like maybe one person was completely checked out?
Lots. Yes, it's very, very common. Very, very common. When you talked about indifferent, sometimes people have really gotten to a place where maybe they're depressed or they're feeling deflated and defeated, and they're feeling like whatever I've tried, it's not working. So I'm here. Tell me what I'm supposed to do, kinda thing in that respect. And that's a sad place to be because we're not feeling very empowered in our life, and we're feeling that we haven't been very successful in trying. And I don't know about you, but sometimes when there are certain activities where you try and try and try, and it's like, I'm not getting it. Somebody else is getting it, but I'm not getting it. What? And so it is
Yes. I've
easy.
been there, yes.
I know. That's the thing. Let me name the let me name the things I'm trying to do. But when we're sitting in there and we're sort of seeing what it seems like other people being successful or other things, other marriages are better. Social media is
Oh,
notorious for that, right?
yep. Mhm.
We have a protective mechanism in us too, where that indifference kind of helps sort of pulls us back a little bit so we don't care as much. We do care, but we've cared so much to the point where we don't feel like one more try is going to make it work. So, going back to your original, is that yes, it's very, very common to be one person that reaches out to me. Men and women are calling me saying, I need help. We need help. We've been to therapists, we've been to here, we've read books, whatever it might be. Um, and the other person says, okay, I'll go. Or you go first. I've worked with solos, one person in the couple, and saying, here's what we get doing. And they start showing up and being different. And that oftentimes is enough for the other person to say, huh, you're a little bit different. You're showing up differently, or I like that. And yeah, I'll go ahead and meet with this Dr. Liz. I'll see what she's all about. And so it's if one person's pulling for the marriage or as the cheerleader for it, that's okay. The other person very, very commonly will get involved. It may be slower to ramp up. They may not be as invested initially, but as they start seeing things change, they come in, join back into it. So I've had folks that definitely were ready to get a divorce. That's it. We're in different locations. They start to see things changing. They say, let's pause the divorce and let's get going. I mean, statistically, couples wait almost 7 years before they even start to address a problem or go to see someone. And so, 7 years is a long
Interesting.
time. And plus, I get them when they're 25 years, 28 years, 40 years. But that's a long time to spend your time like spinning your wheels or feeling like you're not your needs aren't being met or you just need to ride this one out. And so I think it's important if there's something going on, we take a look at it as quickly as possible. And that's one of the reasons why I wanted to take many of the things that I work with, my techniques and my strategies that I work with clients to put it out there so that
Yeah.
anyone really can just be scrolling at night, pull it off Kindle or order the hardcover and it's there. And now the two of you have something positive to work on and work towards instead of one more night scrolling on the
Yes.
phone.